In the modules ahead, we're going to be rebuilding a sample application for Cypher marketing. This fictional company is on the rise, so they've decided to overhaul their website, their mobile app, and just their general digital presence. During this upgrade, Cypher wants to encourage extensive feedback from their users. The company has an existing application that allows their customer service reps to view submitted user messages and create tasks to respond to that feedback. However, Cypher really wants to boost their responsiveness and just improve the tool for their representatives. Before they start adding new features to the application, though, they want to migrate it to MVC for increased flexibility going forward. Most of their developers are unfamiliar with MVC, so they thought this would be a small but meaningful project to start with. Let's take a look at the kind of functionality we'll be rebuilding. So right away you can see sort of a widget structure for the feedback application dashboard. This is the finished MVC version of the app, just so you can see the final product that we'll end up with. We'll take a look at the legacy Web Forms version in the upcoming modules when we really start building. In the center of our page, we have two data grids that show us the latest feedback messages we've received from our customers and some tasks to handle their concerns. We can see useful data like the subject and who it's from and other information. We'll look at how to build these grids using modern data design patterns and how to display them with the Razor View engine. Over on the right, we have two other widgets. The first allows users to vote for the customer service rep of the month for those reps who really want to go the extra mile. This widget updates instantly through Ajax, so we don't have to deal with awkward full page reloads or anything like that. We also have a widget that allows for users to submit suggestions for how to improve this application as we plan for the future. Both of these widgets exist as modular components that are sort of abstracted out of the main view here, which we'll look at in a later module. If we head over to the top left of our application, we can see some simple branding and layout efforts. We'll look at how to recreate this structure to provide a consistent look and feel across our pages. I'll just click on this View Messages link, and that will take us to a page where we can view the full list of messages we've received from our users. This provides us with a summary of all the messages we've received as well as links to respond to each one. We're going to be discussing different methods of displaying large lists of data like this and how to generate an appropriate response link for each one. If we click on one of those reply buttons, we get this page that allows us to write a response. This page is interesting in the sense that it combines a list of data as well as a form to submit, so we'll see how to handle multiple pieces of data on the same view. While we're on the topic of forms, let's jump over to our left navigation again and click on this Create Task button. This view allows customer service reps to create and assign action items to other staff in order to address user concerns. Notice how we have different types of data and form elements on this page, including drop-down lists, date pickers, free-form text fields, and checkboxes. This form will work as a great exercise for learning to build various elements, handling the posted data, and validating that data to make sure that it's secure. We'll also look at how to add client-side validation to enhance the user experience before the data ever gets sent to the server. There are a few other features and points of interest in this app that we'll discuss more as we move along. For now, this should serve as a good overview for the type of functionality we'll be rebuilding. Let's just keep moving forward to the next module so we can really start digging into the task at hand.